husband will like that or not. So we are here to enjoy this evening. This is your annual day. And I've always felt that they are not a company or an organization is not by only one person. There are so many people who contribute to the success of an organization. एक इंसान, whether if your wife is working in an office or you yourself are working, your kids who are waiting there at home, waiting for you, all of them have contributed to the organization. And tabhi on an annual day you'll see everyone coming together. अब क्वेश्चन उठता है कि every day we meet in the office. No, every day you meet in the office, you talk to each other. But ऐसी gatherings, or why do we organize these evenings? Now this is because office में you know each other just as another employee. Maybe you know each other by your phone numbers or email IDs. इस तरह से आप एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. Beyond that you don't know. यहाँ पर जब आप सब एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं तो और इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है. आपके पेरेंट्स आपके साथ होंगे, एक दूसरे से बात करेंगे, पता चलेगा अरे तुसी भी गोरखपुर दे हो, अरे असी भी गोरखपुर दे हैं, मैं तो पैदा ही उत्थे हुई थी. तो इस तरह से वो रिलेशनशिप बनता है. एंड दैट इज हाउ यू कम क्लोजर टू ईच अदर. एंड दैट इज व्हाई द नेम हैज बीन गिवन एम्ब्रेस. यू आर कमिंग क्लोज एंड नोइंग ईच अदर हियर इन दिस gathering. Apart from that, just for knowing each other, let me tell you, there are going to be awards which are going to be presented this evening. As I said, सब लोगों ने इस organization को, if we say FX Group today is a part into retail, they're into automobiles, into healthcare, it has not happened in a day. Everyone has built it. It has grown over the period. So we are going to be recognizing the achievements of all the people who have contributed to the success and contributed to what you call the FX Group. तो सबसे पहले मेरे ख्याल से आप सभी को इसका श्रेय जाता है, क्रेडिट जाता है. तो आप सभी से मैं जोर की आप लोगों के लिए चेयरिंग कर सकती हूँ यहाँ से. You'll give me company on that? Can I say FX Group hip hip? Hip hip? Hip hip? ओके, अब लग रहा है कोई खाते पीते लोग हैं अच्छे खुशहाल कंपनी वाले लोग हैं. You pay them well, yeah. अब आवाजें निकल रही है धीरे धीरे. अवार्ड्स का नाम सुन के और आवाज निकलेगी. And when I say the employees contribute, there is the leader also who gives the direction, who guides, who takes you along, because he has that vision and mission, and then he circulates that vision and mission among the people, and then everybody follows. And I know you all know him very well. He's been leading the team. आप सभी को guide करते हैं. In fact, I was talking to a lot of people here, and everyone was of one consent that is, apart from being a leader, leading people, showing the direction, he's also a very humble person. This is inside information which I tried to get. So ladies and gentlemen, इस बारी थोड़ा और जोर की और जोश से और थोड़ी ऊंची आवाज में you can call and invite your managing director, Mr. Ankit Agarwal. I invite him here to take center stage and introduce once again the growth of FX Group to all of you.
Good evening, everyone. Namaskar. Vimy was quite inspiring. I hope कि मैं थोड़ा कैरी कर पाऊँ जितना इंस्पिरेशन उसने दे दिया है. बट मेरा गला वाला खराब है जो